Hi, friends. George Carlo here, reaching out to you. Now, the video you're about to see, the clips, it shows what you will never imagine that it will be a school. But that was a school I attended, a school I am proud of as an old boy. It's a school that produced doctors and what have you, lawyers, people in society who are making a difference. But right now, the school has gone down to the point where you will never wish that any of your own relatives or people in your network will get there. But the children who live in that village and the surrounding communities of Ihechiowa are finding it difficult because the government is not doing its job. So it's up to you and I to see what we can do to make a difference. The old boys of that school, old girls, old students of that school have been doing their bit, but it's just not even near enough the kind of help, the kind of intervention that is needed. You will see laboratory that you will never imagine. Schools, classrooms where students are so poor. The environment, and you wonder what kind of future generation do we want to produce in that environment? So please help me in this GoFundMe scheme. Please do everything you can to support, to bring new life to that school. Watch and be blessed.
Yeah, because this hall is supposed to be the library of the school, but obviously there are no books and it's an uncompleted project. So there's a need to complete it and have shelves and books supplied here. Some of the roof parts have been, yeah, you can see an opening in the roof. Another one somewhere right up there. So there's something that needs repairing as well. And here it's another big gash in the roof. So we need to do something about this. Yes, this is supposed to be the laboratory. You can imagine, look at the floor. It's all abandoned. And we have, I don't know what this is. Next is supposed to be the table for all the practical stuff, but nobody has used this lab for ages. See, there are leaves and everything on the floor. These are things for all the practical the students are supposed to do, pipettes and so on and so forth. You can see leaves everywhere. It's just an abandoned laboratory. How can students learn here? They couldn't, because this is just unbelievably, abandoned. This is just unfair. This is for the leaders of the future. How do they become leaders when they don't have anything for their development? This has just been abandoned. See all the chemical thing, bottles and so on and so forth. These are shelves, abandoned, totally abandoned. They need urgent help, urgent help. This has to be done. Oh, see, the roof everywhere, there are holes everywhere in the roof, and you cannot just believe what you're seeing. So I think we all need to do something to help. It's supposed to be the laboratory office, but you can see it's an abandoned place. Roof is bad. I mean, totally bad. Mrs. Nto is the principal of my alma mater. This is the only secondary school I attended in the whole world. So she's doing a fantastic job to keep this school running. So how do you think we can help the school at this time, knowing that the school has no library, the school has no laboratory? What would you think we can do?
So you see, it is the absence of library and laboratory is affecting the students so much, because some of the things they're supposed to learn practically are being learned theoretically, and the time they're supposed to read, they cannot stay in the class. Sometimes if you don't have a lesson, doesn't help them. So I am pleading that you intervene on our behalf this time to rehabilitate the house, because the whole roof is leaking. Rehabilitate the house and help us so that we'll be able to be equipped with so many things that are not there, because some of them are outdated. Then in the library, we put the library in place so that we can be able to bring down the books and provide new ones will be added so that the students will comfortably study.
It's good. Thank you very much. Hey friends, I'm Reverend Dr. George Kalu. I've just come to my alma mater to see what's going on here, and we need this help urgently. Friends, family, everyone, I'm calling on all of you to someone, whatever you know you can give to make sure that we do this. Please do your bit, and let's help Ihechiowa High School. We can do it, and I want us to do it. Thank you very much. See you soon.